Hi, my name is Siglali Haro, and these are my answers for Chapter 1. So of my professional experience, I currently work with ARC of the Ozarks, and I work with individuals who have a disability um, to work with them to develop lifelong skills so that one day they could possibly work independently. So those kind of skills could include cleaning, cooking, going out into the community, like going to the mall or just going out to the parks and stuff like that. So it's a really fun job. So I really enjoy working with these individuals. I really do meaningful work with these individuals because they're working towards a certain goal, and by working towards those goals gets them a step closer to being independent and possibly living on their own one day. Um, so yeah, and then for question 2, after graduating with my degree, I will hopefully be going into OT school. I'm currently applying through the OT CAS to apply for grad school, apply for OT school. And then, so in the future, I would like to be a pediatric occupational therapist. So that's really what I want to do. And then as for question number 3, one thing that I really believed in when it comes to the professional norms is that lifelong learning norm. I really believe that you're always learning and you're always growing your knowledge, and it's really important in the healthcare field to always be up to date with current research and current new knowledge. So for like example, in OT, like if a certain intervention was always taught to be used for a certain issue, then new research might come out and be like, hey, that's actually no longer a proper intervention. Here's our research that we've done, and this is a new intervention that shows more improvement. And so lifelong learning is just something that's always important for patients and for everyone, because we want to be able to provide the best medical care for our patients. And without keeping up with new research and learning new things that are out there in the healthcare field that show more benefit towards a patient, then we're not really doing what we're supposed to be doing as healthcare providers. So those are my answers for the first 3 questions here at Chapter 1. Thanks.